Ramen noodles. I absolutely love ramen noodles. I prefer them to pasta any day. And what you see here is what I do is I take a package of ramen noodles. I don't use the flavoring packet, but you can if you want. I cook them and then I strain the water out of them with a strainer, and I put them into a bowl. And in this picture that you see, what I did was chopped up some greens and put about half a juice from half a lemon in there with salt and pepper and lots of butter. And that's what I did with that. What you can also do is, if you have more time, cook some greens and onions and vegetables of your choice before putting them into the ramen noodles. I did not cook the greens that I put in here today. They just kind of wilted a little bit when I put the hot ramen noodles over them. Anyway, really, really tasty.